Hi everyone, today we're sharing 10 simple, nourishing recipes designed to support people going through cancer treatment. Each one is easy to digest, high in nutrients, and simple to make. Let's jump in. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a pan. Add 1 cup of fresh spinach and let it wilt for about a minute. Next, whisk 2 to 3 eggs and pour them over the spinach. Cook gently on low heat until soft and fluffy. Season with a little salt and pepper. In a pot, add broth, chopped carrots, celery, and shredded chicken. Stir in turmeric and ginger. Simmer for about 20 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Season with salt and enjoy a soothing anti-inflammatory meal. Add Greek yogurt to a bowl. Top with blueberries and strawberries or raspberries. Drizzle with honey. This will be a high-protein, antioxidant-rich snack. Place a salmon fillet on a baking sheet. Brush with olive oil, add garlic, and squeeze lemon over it. Season with salt and pepper. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until it flakes easily. Prepare warm oatmeal. Top with chopped walnuts. Add cinnamon and finish with maple syrup or honey, a comforting, energy-steadying breakfast. Add banana, peanut butter, milk or almond milk, and chia seeds to a blender. Add ice and blend until smooth. Great for low appetite days. Nutrient-dense and easy to drink. Steam the broccoli, carrots, and zucchini until soft but bright. Plate them and drizzle with olive oil. Season lightly with salt. Gentle, easy to digest nourishment. Rinse the lentils and add to a pot with broth. Add tomatoes, carrots, and spinach. Mix in cumin and a pinch of salt. Simmer 25 to 30 minutes until thick and soft. Add cottage cheese to a bowl. Top with pineapple chunks. Refreshing, high in protein, and gentle on digestion. Toast the bread, mash avocado and spread it on top. Add a boiled or poached egg. Finish with salt and pepper. Simple, energizing, and full of healthy fats. If these recipes were helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you found any nourishing, cancer-friendly meals that helped you, please share them in the comments. It could help someone else. And if you're looking for integrative or natural cancer clinics, visit findhelpforcancer.com or call 928-546-5963. We're here to guide you toward the options that feel right for your healing journey. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're in the need of integrative and holistic treatments for you or your family member, please feel free to reach out to us at findhelpforcancer.com. We'll start with a simple conversation and help point you in the right direction. Happy to help.